As a leader in digital transformation and recognized by analysts as a respected and trusted SAP specialist, Cognizant is at the forefront of S/4HANA conversion. At a time when companies globally are looking for expert migration with a low-cost and low-risk approach, Cognizant's proven and highly automated SAP Qualified Cognizant SmartMove is an S/4HANA conversion factory that delivers exactly what those organizations require. But moving from legacy SAP to S/4HANA platform is just the beginning of a larger transformation to build an intelligent enterprise. Cognizant SmartMove provides not just standardized methodology and toolsets with predefined quality gates to minimize risks, but a high level of automation to bring efficiency and reduce downtime. It also enables companies to focus on larger digital initiatives with minimum disruption to business. We are a one-stop shop, partnering with our clients through all the phases of their intelligent enterprise journeys and helping them realize their end goals. Our clients also gain tangible benefits, such as bringing down hardware and overall infrastructure cost by 15 to 20% and drastically reducing the cost of ownership while making the conversion to S/4HANA. The foundation we help our clients lay enables them to focus on realizing more business value. We also have unrivaled experience in cloud migration. While we deliver industry-leading best practice to every engagement, as well as proven cloud migration methodology to platforms such as AWS, Azure, and GCP, we further enhance our commitment with Cognizant Intelligent Enterprise Platform, allowing our clients to benefit from robotic process automation, smart ML AI applications, and industry KPIs. And we are ideally placed to deliver our clients rapid assessments and mock or sandbox conversions, enabling quick and efficient conversion to S/4HANA using our Accelerator and Automation framework. What's more important than starting the journey with the move to S/4HANA is realizing the vision of a digital enterprise by working with the experts at Cognizant. We can help you make it happen with our human-centric approach to your digital transformation, with our 30-plus digital studios and many talents in the field.